This recipe is from the How to Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook. I like the recipes in these cookbooks because I can find most of the items that they're asking me to use, or I can make them myself. I'm just using the same already dirtied area that I just worked on to make the hummus. And this orange is getting a little bit old. It says that I can go ahead and use sections, a half a section from an orange, and I want to do that so that I'm keeping this intact. I'm going to go ahead and peel it and put it right into my blender, which it doesn't call for it to go in the blender, but I'm going to put it in the blender. Oh, this is a little, you know how these oranges can get when they're not just freshly picked off a tree. How am I supposed to get this off of here? Just cut it off. Put that into my blend tech. Wash my hands. It calls for a teaspoon of minced fresh ginger. I need to plant more ginger in my garden since my garden was torn out this last summer. I'm ready to do it again. Now it says 2 teaspoons of my favorite mustard, so some more of this yummy Dijon mustard. I love this mustard. Says 2 tablespoons of the hummus. Generous. I'm very generous. My favorite balsamic vinegar is from Costco. It's what I can get on a consistent basis. I hope this is good. I'm thinking it's gonna be good. You're gonna know my first impression. Tastes good. Tastes sour. Oops. I don't know that this one's my favorite. I will remove this piece that didn't grind up. The orange still tasted good. The orange still tasted good. Wow. Wow, that's their favorite? You know what happens sometimes? Wow. It's definitely not mine. I like Jane's I like Jane's 3, 2, 1 better.